Okay, in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be applying CarPro DLUX plastic and wheel protection. Pretty much a trim and wheel coating, and we're going to be applying it to the side steps on the truck. As you can see, I have the microfiber applicator block or pad at the end there. I'm going to be using that just because it'll be easy to form inside the grooves of like where the step pads are. So here is the product. I'll zoom in and clear there. So CarPro DLUX. So the side steps have been washed and wiped down with CarPro Eraser. They are dry, and we are going to be applying the coating to keep them looking new and hydrophobic. I do live in the Midwest, so the truck's going to see snow and salt. So unfortunately, the side steps on the last truck, even though they were chrome, they had like the chrome plated plastic started to I don't know, it got some kind of funky deterioration, you know, with the coating itself. So they looked kind of bad. So it says here, clean the surface well, free from oils, let dry, shake well, pour a few drops onto a suede wrapped applicator, apply in a crisscross pattern across the treated surface. So it says let cure 10 minutes and then wipe off the excess. Full dry time is in 24 hours, no rain or water within 24 hours. So we don't really need to do a crosshatch pattern. I'm just gonna, you know, do what needs to be done on the steps, since they're, you know, textured. And yeah, let's get to it. Bottle has the dropper already in it, and we're going to use the gray side. So, as you can see, the pad is primed. Set the coating off to the side and replace the top. Very important, especially if it's on the floor. You don't want to kick it over. Ask me how I know. So we're just going to go ahead and start here. You can see it's instantly making the steps and the step pads darker. So there you have it, the side steps. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. If you're using it on the trim, you'd obviously want to be careful about any adjacent panels, especially the paint. This truck has textured plastic around the wheel wells. So if you were going to use it on that, you would want to be mindful and make sure that you wipe any overage on the paint. This truck also has some very large mirrors. If you were going to coat the textured plastic with this, I would also be careful there. My truck, I did crystal, or not crystal serum, we did G-Technic Ech2O V4 on all the exterior trim. Unfortunately, I kicked over the bottle and spilled half of it. So instead of leaving a very small amount of product, I figured I would use what I could on other exterior sections. So I did the mirrors, the bed rail caps, the tailgate cap, and the wheel well trim, I guess. So it has been 10 minutes, and it does not look like there's any traditional high spots or anything like that. I think because of what the steps are made out of, I don't think you really need to worry about high spots. But we're going to go ahead and well, let's see here. So I just checked my finger, and I mean, everything is dry. Usually on the towel you can see where it might be wet, because you're actually, you know, removing the coating transfer solution. So that's about it. This video is going to be rather short, but it's straight and to the point. Trim coating is pretty easy to apply. Like I said, you leave it sit for 10 minutes, and then you come back and, you know, just level off any high spots or anywhere where the product might pool a little bit. And it should be like any other wheel coating. I have not coated the wheels on the truck yet. That's pretty much the last thing that I will need to coat are the wheels. The paint has CSL and Ech2O from G-Technic. All of the trim has Ech2O. The door jambs have Ech2O. The side steps have DLUX, like in this video. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to use on the wheels. I'm going to see what I have left. I think I have C5 wheel armor from G-Technic left over. I'm not sure if I have enough for 4 wheels, but we'll find out. If you are interested in seeing CarPro DLUX applied to the wheels, leave a comment and I'll take that under consideration for a video. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.